It's the elevator monitor. And here we are. How's it going? You can go. I'm getting a project anyway, so. Oh yeah, look, that's probably where I had all the panels. Oh, here we go. This elevator. The lobby is the same as some of the other banks. Just get a picture of that.
I can hear 23 and 24 sheriff floor.
Oh yeah, there's a little 330A up there.
I said I'm gonna show one.
Yeah, these ones only go 600 feet per minute.
Yeah, that's interesting.
These ones are like really in good shape. Yeah, I'll just show. Yeah, it's like right in there. Yeah, we can, yeah, we'll go back down. Yeah, it's pretty funny. I mean, it's not that interesting because, yeah, it's literally just a 330A.
Wow.
But it's something.
What is the second one from 2015? That's probably replaced.
That's, yeah, I think that is when they modernized them, is 2015.
A little more about that.
Go to 2.
I like how the security monitor is just the elevator annunciator.
Oh, yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I was in here on a weekend and they once told me they asked me, they told me that I'm not allowed to be in here on the weekends, but during the week it's open to the public.
I thought it would have been open all the time.
Yeah, it closes, well, no. I was there on a Sunday. The whole building closes on a Sunday, and on Saturday the first and second floors are open for like the food court and stuff. Here's the second floor. That's it.